Well, this morning's not starting out as chilly as what we had yesterday, but our high later today is only going to be in the mid-60s, so that it's going to be a big difference. But this is by far going to be the most notable thing if you're outdoors today. We have a wind advisory and a red flag warning that have both been issued here in southern Arizona. Now, Tucson's not included here, but one thing you need to keep in mind is a wind advisory means gusts over 40 miles per hour being possible, and a red flag warning means it's dry enough for fires to start very easily, so be careful out there, especially if you're on the roadways.